Ekaramoja, join the minister to flood the region. We are going to send 266 trucks of maize flour and beans to Ekaramoja region.
Of the share in all sectors of this government. Thank you so much.
Je tugenda okutwala Ekaramoja eri 12 metric tons 12,579 ez'akawunga n'ebijjanjalo. Kireba kyetaagisa bwe ziba loore nga zino ennene. Buli loore tugenda kusindika loore 2,606 zezigenda okugenda Ekaramoja wokka. Naye era njagala kwebaza WFP bagenze mu maaso kwa Office of the Prime Minister emotoka egenda okutwala emmere Ekaramoja. Naye Minister of the Department eya disaster egenda mu maaso okutwala kati emmere eri endala esigadde kwezi esente zetwakafuna mu districts endala awali ennyo districts zetwakalaba zafuna obundabunda Elgon awamu ne Rwenzori gye twafiiramu abantu. Tulina okubatwalira emmere ngenda direct mu sub counties tutatwala emmere mu districts. So district egenda kutuula buli district disaster management committee erina okutuula okusooka emmere bw'etuuka n'emmere bw'eva ne Kampala egenda paka mu sub county eri affected. So kiba kitegeeza meeting ejja kubeerawo then bategeere emmere bagenda kuwa bagenda okuwa. All the district disaster management committees to sit as the food is setting off today, and then secondly the food is going to go directly to the sub-counties. This truck, if it's going like to one of the sub-counties in it will leave Kampala and it will go to the point where we have been designated, and the food will be received at the sub-county level. Even our returning our paperwork has to be signed by the sub-county chief and the county.
Does that bear this burden? I know with this food, it is going to bring a lot of smile to the faces of the people of Kotido. As my speakers have already said, the challenge of food security has been so much on Kotido district because we have lost many lives. But I think with the food that is coming out, it's going to save some lives. I want also to appreciate the intervention by government of the seeds. I know my people did not have the energy to cultivate these seeds, but I think this food is going to help them cultivate these seeds. These are short maturing seeds of beans, green ground beans and cowpeas. So I'm very grateful to the government of Uganda for responding really to the plight of the people of Karamoja, and more particularly Kotido. I know this food may not be enough, but I know with the time, government is going to provide more food, because this is just, I can say, a tenth of what was earmarked for the people of Karamoja, of the 135. But I think in the next quarter, I know more food will come, and this more food will be able to save many lives. And as a member of parliament, I'm going to the ground to mobilize my people to say that once we get this food, make good use of it, so that next time we are able to plan for the next coming season. So I think this food is timely, it's going to save lives, although it has taken long to save lives, because the situation is not like before, where people were dead.
We are looking at this situation. However, in a nutshell, the question of food insecurity will only be overcome if the insecurity question is answered. I call upon government to restore sanity in Karamoja, to restore peace, so that people can open up, go to their gardens, take care of their properties, take care of livestock without fear. Because districts in Karamoja, in terms of food insecurity and also real insecurity.
We are going to send 266 trucks of maize flour and beans to Ekaramoja region.